Hey, Kalam here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create fake text story videos like this,
People are actually faking breaks.
and you can get millions of views by creating this type of fake text video, and you can able to upload on TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, and any other social media platform, and you can generate lots of money from here. So in this video, I'm totally explaining you how you can generate this type of video using AI tool. It's completely free for joining, so this link I'll attach in my video description for the access. First, going on my video description, then click on the link. You are redirected to this website. You need to log in here with your Gmail. So once you have done it, you can see here are lots of template. You can use one, so I use first one, then create now. Here are lots of option. Custom script, you can right here you script one by one line. Then this is AI script. If you click here, this AI tool create script for you. This is really nice update. So I click on here, generate script, and input here, paste script. So I use DeepSeek AI for creating AI script, and you also able to use ChatGPT, Gemini AI. This is really easy. I hope you understand and you are able to doing this work perfectly. Then click on enter. This DeepSeek AI write exclusively for me this script, so I need to just copy. Otherwise, you can copy this line, then you can import here custom script, AI script here, describe your video concept, create a short video script for training topic. So just click on generate script. This AI tool write and create for you script. Wow, you can see it's this AI tool already write a script exclusively for me. So I really happy for this one. So if you have not liked this one, this is very bad, and this is a you need to recorrection here. Everything you are able to doing, just white. You can see this is a totally I like there. You can edit everything and anything. So I don't need this one. Just click on next button. Then wow, you need to choose a theme. This is dark mode and this is a light mode. Okay, I choose this one, or okay, then click on next button, left character. Okay, generate video. Okay, now click on generate video. This is a background music. So if you want to like this one, here are the lots of. So I add the first one. This is really good, I think. Then click on more setting. You are control everything and anything: voice speed volume, voice stability, and style. So okay, now click on generate video. This is a final step for creating this type of video using this AI tool. This is fantastic, right? Just wait few seconds. Wow, once you've done it, just click on here, then click on download buttons. Everything are ready for uploading on social media. You can see these 3 video I create using this AI tool, and this is today, and this is the last week, and this is February 10.
Did you hear about the latest TikTok trend? People are actually faking breaks in their relationships for clout.
Yeah, it's crazy. I mean, who even believes that it's just for views and likes?
Exactly. But some influencers are getting called out for it. Like, isn't that toxic?
Totally. It's like they're playing with people's emotions for followers. What's wrong with society?
And the scarier part? Kids are watching and thinking it's normal behavior.
Right? We need to spread the word about healthy relationships instead of this fake drama. We should start a trend of honesty.
That's the challenge. But if we tag a few people, it could blow up. Who's with us?
Count me in. Let's make authenticity the new cool.
So this is the method how you can create fake text AI short video using this tool. So this is a completely free for joining. So this link I will attach in my video description. So if you have any questions, please comment below. See you next video. Take care. Goodbye.